Timer?
What? Ben can't keep up. The dribbling never stops. And you can't wear this jacket on film anymore.
Of course I can wear this jacket on film.
Oh, it's too
Because you've got your little like Sherpa. Disgusting. Welcome everybody to Jay's entirely worst idea of all time. It's absolutely freezing up here. I'm freezing. You're wearing the most horrendous shoes of all time. And I don't know why you felt that we had to do it up here. This is horrendous. I don't even want to talk. You go.
These shoes were a gift. They're comfortable inside, and we've got a clear day today.
Yeah, with snow. Anyway,
It's Vancouver.
Carry on. What are we talking
Welcome
about
to
today?
today's update. Today we're doing the January update.
Yep.
January 2021 has passed. We've got the numbers.
Nothing escapes you, Sherlock, eh?
On it.
We've got the numbers, and
they're looking good, as usual.
they are looking good, but this one is an interesting point because we're at a bit of a tipping point, judging by the figures and the signs that we're seeing, so we're making the call early. As you may have known, for the last couple of months, we've been talking about condos becoming the place to be, and now we really think that's coming into its own. I mean, Greater Vancouver overall has been insane. It's been obviously busy. The numbers are getting higher. I think, like, sales-wise, it's up over 52% year over year.
Yep.
And January last year was a pretty good January, considering as well, before the virus.
Definitely. It was moving, and yeah, and it feels the same.
So, and now we're Greater Vancouver, the whole story is there's more demand than there is supply. So sales-wise, we're up over 52%. Inventory-wise, total inventory that is, we're down 3.6%. So the demand is up over 50% of an already busy last January, and the inventory is down.
Yes, and you're definitely feeling that in the form of multiple offers. They are back and they are vicious.
Yeah, I mean, especially for houses and certain properties, like houses have been the sexiest thing since sliced bread recently. So, but where we see the appeal is the condos, because now condos are starting to catch up.
Slowly but surely, the little brother is coming on up.
That's it. So condos are coming up because so combined east side and west side downtown, there was actually an increase of inventory from December to January of 112%. Okay, so you've got to follow with me here.
Yes.
January 20 to January 21, the year over year sales increased 35.35%. Okay, December 2019 to December 2020 was 48%. Like October and November before then, that was somewhere between 5 to 10%, so it was minimal. So now, with a couple of months, we're starting to see a trend. So we're starting to see the demand for condos increase and starting to form a trend. Don't forget as well, we've already gone through that massive intake of inventory because everything now starts heading at a more steady pace when inventory levels increase at a steady pace towards spring. They don't increase in the same way they have been. And typically, buyer demand keeps picking up as we head into the spring.
Yeah, so the housing got hit first with buyer demand, and
Yep.
it's still going crazy.
Has been for a while.
We still haven't seen that huge influx of spring inventory yet.
Yeah.
And to your last point, we're slowly getting that inventory coming in on the condo side. So with rates being so cheap, with the housing market kind of already propelled past its base, we'll say.
So to put that in perspective before you carry on, so what we're saying is condos are now starting to catch up because the sales and the buyer demand is picking up and we're starting to see the signs of a trend. What happens when the demand keeps going up and the inventory levels steady out? Well, that demand exceeds the inventory, which is what's happening in Greater Vancouver. So inevitably, this is where you want to get in, because if you've been watching and waiting, this is what you've been watching and waiting for. Because when that happens, like it's been doing for houses for so long, this is why houses have increased on average by 10.8% year over year, and everything's multiple offers and it's gone extremely fast. Condos are trending towards that busier side of things. So this is the time to move.
They
You
are.
have 13 seconds.
So to Ben's point, the inventory is now come back up, and the ball is rolling. So as usual, as we've said 100 times before, now that these new benchmarks are being made, it will continue pushing now into the spring market.
Yeah.
So the same thing as the housing market. It's going to in parallel go. It's begun, so you can get in at the bottom or
Get in
be
at-
late to the party.
That's it. I think that wraps us up for this week, guys. Thank you for watching, and reach out with any questions that you may have. Pow! That was good, hey?